Okay, class, now that we've got our 3x3 system in matrix form, we want to set this up and find the solution in Excel. So I'm going to input the coefficient matrix, which was 3, 2, and -1 on the first row. And then the second row was simply 1, 1, 1. The third row was 4, 0, 9. The y component had no coefficient, so it's 0. And that works out okay. So now I've got my 3x3 coefficient matrix. Let me start here in G1 and put it in my right hand side, which was 9, 5, and 17. And now I'm going to come down here in column A, row 6, and put in the inverse matrix. So I'm going to highlight a 3x3 output matrix. I'm going to hit equal. Now I'm going to say M inverse, IMVERSE, open a parenthesis, and then highlight the matrix I want to invert. So that's going to be this 3x3 matrix here. Close parenthesis, and here's the tricky part. You have to hit Control Shift Enter, not just Enter. So this is my inverse matrix. I can check and see if that's correct by pre-multiplying this inverse by the original matrix, and I should get the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 0, 0, 1. Let's come down here in A12. I'll highlight a 3x3 matrix. Now again, I'm going to hit equal, and I'm going to use the multiply, M-M-U-L-T operator, open parenthesis, and now it's going to ask me to highlight two terms. So I'm going to highlight the inverse matrix. I'm going to hit a comma, then I'm going to come back up here and hit the original 3x3 matrix. Close parenthesis, and now I'm going to Control Shift Enter, and it does yield the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 10 to the negative 16th is numerically 0, and then 0, 0, 1. Now the last thing I need to do is take this inverse matrix, pre-multiply it by the right hand side to recover x, y, and z. So let me come over here in column G, and I'll start in 10 and highlight 3 cells. And again, I'm going to use, the matrix multiply, so I'll hit equal, M-M-U-L-T, open parenthesis. Now I'm going to highlight the inverse matrix as my first matrix term. I'm going to hit comma, and then I'm going to come over here and highlight the right hand side. Then I've got to close parenthesis, and again hit Control Shift Enter, and I do get the answer that I was looking for, 221. Now guys, there's another problem for you guys to set up on the worksheet. On Wednesday and Friday we will set up a system of nonlinear equations using Newton's methods. Thank you.